Hi everyone, I'm Hagen with Minecraft Source, and today I'll be showing you how to reverse tie-dye a shirt. So obviously what you need is a shirt of your choosing. I'm using a dark heather Gildan soft style shirt, and you'll need your tie-dyeing kit. I'm using the one-step tie-dye kit from Tulip. So what we're gonna want to do first is actually go outside and bleach our shirt. So let's go do that.
Okay, so find where you want your dye explosion thing. I'll put mine down like the corner right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pinch and kind of loosely, just not super loose, but just gonna spin that up in there. Then, since we're reverse dyeing, also normal dyeing is gonna be about the same process. It's just you won't bleach first. We're gonna try to accentuate these lines a little bit. Okay, now we're gonna take our bleach that I don't have out here and do things. Got the bleach. So what we're gonna do is the farther out here you get, you're gonna kind of just lightly mist it. You're not really gonna saturate it, but right up in here, you're gonna saturate it a lot more. Okay. And then you sit and wait. When the shirt's bleached the way you want it to be, then you can go ahead and take it inside and wash it.
The next morning.
So what you want to do first is put a piece of cardboard inside your shirt. That way the dye doesn't leak through and get all over your table and stuff. And yeah. So really all we're gonna do is open this up, and I guess that's all we want. I don't really know. Oh God. Oh God. Oh, this became a thing. Oh Lord. Okay. What we need to do first with this one specifically is go ahead and add water to our tie-dye kit. So that means I need to go get water. I got my water. It's time to start filling these up, I guess. What colors do I want? Ooh, I get to choose the colors. Oh God, they're dusty. They're dusty. What colors do I want to use? Maybe red down in here, and then like red to purple to blue. Sure. There is an orange. Red to orange, yellow to purple. Yeah. I like that. Okay, that's what we're gonna start out with. We're gonna start with my red, my orange, my yellow. So with this, you don't actually need to tie anything within your rubber bands because you're not actually tie-dyeing it. You're really just bleaching it in bunches and then just dyeing what you want, like you're painting. It's great. It's an exciting time. We're gonna add water to all our dye first. I went to college. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm strong. Look at me being a strong boy. I'm not saying women can't be strong. I'm just saying I'm a boy that is strong. Look at that. I didn't get all the water I needed / wanted. It's just gonna get messy. I can feel it. No, there's dye everywhere. Oh no. I should probably wear gloves, but I'm not gonna. Oh no. It's not where I wanted that one. Why is this one leaking? I need napkins. Oh, my hands are gonna be freaking dyed. You really gotta make sure you get that. Oh no! Dye nice and dissolved in there. Oh no, this is gonna be horrible. It's fine. It's fine. Just try not to get it on your shirts or anything anywhere. I should have got an apron or something. All right, well, time to dye. Oh God. Okay, you see all of this, right? This business. So, fun fact, you need to get your shirt damp, or like not quite wet, but damp, before you start putting ink on it. Otherwise, it's hard and annoying. Yeah, do that next time, or do that in general. Okay, so when you get to this point, if you don't already have cardboard up in this area, if you have your shirt bleached like mine, go ahead and stick more cardboard up in there, and then you just keep dyeing. Okay, we're finally here. So after this point, all you really want to do is let it sit here. Just don't touch it. Don't do anything else to it unless you just want to get all these spots. I didn't want to, so you know, you do that. Do good. Don't be me. So yeah, at this point, you just leave it here for 6 to 8 hours. The longer you give it, the better the colors will set in. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for me, I guess. You know, cool.
Early the next morning.
Okay, so after you wait your 6 to 8 hours and have that dye really soak in there, you should have this. So remember, if you want anything on the back, you just have to repeat all the steps from before. But other than that, this is in fact the final product. I'll probably end up putting like a full color transfer or something right here just to take up that space, but yeah, I think it turned out too terribly bad. Yeah, look at that. And also, like stated previously, I just want to reiterate it. You followed pretty much the exact same steps for regular tie-dyeing, except you wouldn't bleach it first. You just tie it up. You're probably gonna use like a white shirt, something lighter colored. But other than that, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much.